So the shaft machining, there is already a tutorial about shaft machining where Centrix will calculate the price based on the size and the amount of machining, and then it will multiply those calculated hours by a factor which is in this shaft machining factors. Now at present Centrix doesn't calculate the total cost of the extra shaft machining needed for a cartridge housing. Now some of these can be quite complicated. For example, the BL series that we've just entered with the ID of 62, I've set an arbitrary additional factor of 1.1. So if you just read this description at the top in blue here, it tells you how the price is calculated. Now if this price comes out too low that you find, and don't forget it's going to be multiplied by this rate, which varies with shaft lengths and diameters already. So an additional factor is then applied for cartridge housings. So if we find that this extra machining is not enough, we might decide to change it to say 1.15. So we just say apply factor, say yes, and now the price calculated will be multiplied for a cartridge shaft. A cartridge housing shaft will be multiplied by this factor.